Welcome to Some Guy's Garage. It's that time of year again where Santa rides a fat bike and gives away Mercedes SL gull wings. Or really, more specifically, for the Wera Advent Calendar. I had one of these last year, had some pretty cool tools in it, and kind of opened them every few days on a shorts video, and I'm going to do the same this year. But for the kickoff here, I decided we'll do the first day together as a regular full video, just so you can check this out when I open it up. So let's open it up. They actually come double boxed, which is kind of interesting. The reason is the inner calendar doesn't show what's on it or what's in it, whereas the one on the back here does. So I'm not going to show it here, it would ruin the surprise, but on the back side they do have all the different tools that actually come in it. And here inside the box is the actual Advent calendar. So we'll just get that box out of the way here. And that's the Advent calendar. Neat enough, these also have a built-in stand on the back. So I've had the 2022 one, you'll have seen some of the videos. I'll link some in the description too. But you'll have seen some of those videos, but these do actually have kind of a built-in stand here where you can pop this out and then you fold these back over. And with a little work there, you can fold it, there we go, fold it into the box. And now the calendar can stand up. Now, before we open today's, let's take a look at what we got last year. There is a bottle opener, pretty cool, a screwdriver and all the bits that went inside of it as well. So that's kind of neat, multi-bit screwdriver. Another set of bits with a quick release chuck for like a drill or something like that in a nice little case, and a few wrenches, so the kind of 12 almost tooth wrenches in a bunch of metric sizes from 6 through to 13. So they actually are pretty decent usable tools. They have a Christmas theme, so not the typical Wera colors, but red and green, and I'm hoping a lot of the similar sort of stuff comes out of the calendar this year. But just kind of to give you a sneak peek of what sort of tools that usually come in these calendars. They come with all the holders and bits and all of that sort of stuff. So without further ado, let's open the actual calendar for today. So typical Advent calendar, find number one. Let's have a look. A little push there, pull it apart here. And to start off, we get looks like a bit holder or maybe a hex key holder or something like that. And also a bunch of double-sided Velcro in here. So that's kind of interesting. I guess maybe to mount this somehow, maybe something like this and sticking it to something. I guess we'll find out as we go along, but that is kind of day one of the Wera Advent calendar. Anyway, over the next few weeks, we'll get to open all of these together and see what tools are in the calendar this year. If you're interested, subscribe and make sure you watch for the shorts videos. I won't do them as full-length videos, they'll be the short style. But if you have any questions about these calendars, let me know in the comments below. And otherwise, thanks for watching.